Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to sign into your People's Online Banking account. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to sign into your People's Online Banking account? Well, this video is for you, so stay tuned. Alright, so we are now at peoplesbanknet.com. So if you want to log in or sign into your online banking account, there's a big square maroon login page here. Login button. So hover that. It's going to be either personal or business online banking or wealth management. So click on personal online banking and you're going to be brought to the main login screen where you need to fill in your login ID and your password, just as always. And if you're on a safe, maybe home personal computer, maybe click login or remember me so that every time you log in, it's automatically filled and you just need to, press login. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.